Hey McArthur Industries, welcome back. So we're here with Sandgate Auto Electrics and all brand caravan services. Guys, special for the month. I think this is going to be one to be pushed out a few circles and sent out to a few places, especially if you've gone out in purchasing a second-hand caravan or bought a caravan that's going to be delivered shortly. So guys, special for the month, we are a Red Network dealer. So if you get your Redarc gear with us, you'll get a 3-year warranty. We have Redarc Tow Pro Elites fitted to most vehicles. Let's say about 95% of vehicles. There's certain vehicles out there like me. We're going to be doing a special for $600 supplied and fitted to your vehicle. There is a couple of certain vehicles we'll have to speak to you about, has a few different things with radars and stuff like that. But most vehicles, you will see these fitted to your vehicle here at Sandgate Auto Electrics and Caravan Services at $600. So please, if you need to know anything, comments down below, hit us up or come onto our websites and we make sure we get you sorted. But get in, get booked fast. This is for September only. If you need to get it done in October or something like that, maybe do your booking now. It'll be the smartest thing you can do. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.